Hello! Hi everyone! Welcome to my first ever video.
Thank you for being here today.
So hari ni I akan buat tutorial on this look, which is a hijab style inspired by Vivy Yusof.
Okay, so for the first look, I akan guna dark scarves in honor of Vivy Yusof, the style icon herself. And for the second look, I akan guna a chiffon shawl and pair it with earrings.
The best part is you only need to use one pin.
Ni tak payah nak bawa satu bekas besar yang berat, simpan semua brooch, lepas tu bila you nak guna, brooch tu semua tumpul.
Oh.
And I will also show you how to pin your hijab under your chin by using a straight pin, which is jarum peniti.
Okay, so untuk dark scarves, I prefer untuk pinkan dekat tepi. Okay, lepas tu you bawa yang lebih-lebih ni over your shoulders to the other side. You can of course leave it like this, or kalau you nak tudung you stay put, this is what you should do. You kena ikat bahagian bawah ni and then tuck it in your shirt.
Okay, bila ikat tu, I ikat sekali je sebab I tak naklah orang nanti macam leher dia bengkak ke. Tapi, you also don't want it to be too flat sebab it will act as a platform for your folds to like rest on. Kalau tak nanti folds dia pula macam melekat dekat leher ni.
Kalau you nak lagi secure, you boleh pin kat sini. Ta-da! Okay, so moving on to the second look, we're going to do the same thing, but this time with a chiffon shawl, and I'm going to pin the shawl under my chin.
Okay, so first, you ambil jarum peniti you, and you kena guna yang ada kepala ni. You cucuk straight across. This is the pin, like this. Tapi dah cucuk banyak sangat. Sebab, after that, you ambil kain ni, bawa kena cucuk ke bawah. So now it's like this. Okay, tadi you cucuk dari arah sini kan? And then you twist it to the other side. Like this. Sampailah you ada this little bit of needle macam nak bunuh leher you. But don't worry. You kena like anyamkan dia. Or like whatever. Sumbatkan dia dalam tudung you. Okay, take your earrings and hook it on your inner together with your shawl.
Okay, that's it. Done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking till the end of this video. I hope you learned at least a little bit of something from me. And maybe I will see you in my next video. Maybe. Okay. Have a good night. Have a good day. Whenever you're watching this, take care. May Allah bless us all. Bye-bye. Ta-da!